In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort data by date in Microsoft Excel in a simple and easy-to-follow way. Sorting data by date in Excel is a crucial skill for organizing your information efficiently. Whether you're managing a project timeline, tracking sales records, or simply keeping your schedules in order. So, let's dive right into it and ensure you can get this task done with ease and precision. First and foremost, it's important to ensure that Excel recognizes your entries as dates, not as text. This is a common stumbling block, and if this is off, it could lead to sorting issues later on. You want to make sure your cells with date entries are formatted as real dates. This means they should ideally be formatted using one of Excel's date formats, which you can find and set in the Format Cells dialog under the Number tab. A quick way to check is by selecting one of your date cells. If it's not being recognized, Excel won't automatically give you options for date formatting in the ribbon bar. Should you find your dates are stored as text, you might need to use Excel's built-in tools or functions like Date Value to convert them. Once you're confident that your dates are properly formatted, the next step is selecting a cell in the column that contains your date data. This doesn't have to be the first cell in your list. Simply click on any cell within your desired date column to highlight it as your starting point. This tells Excel where the sorting should begin. Now, head over to the Data tab, which you'll find on Excel's main ribbon. Look for the Sort and Filter group, which houses the tools you need to sort your dates. You'll find buttons labeled A to Z and Z to A here. The A to Z button will arrange your data from the earliest to the latest date, while the Z to A button will sort it from the most recent dates to the oldest. Just click one of these options depending on your sorting preference. At this point, you might encounter a Sort Warning dialog box. This warning appears to ensure that all your data stays cohesive and that Excel sorts your entire dataset correctly. It's crucial here to choose the option that says Expand the selection. This ensures that all rows remain aligned with their respective information, preserving the correct relationships across your dataset. Then simply click Sort, and Excel will handle the rest, neatly organizing your dates as per your instructions. And there you have it, sorting dates in Excel made easy. By following these steps, your data will be in perfect chronological order, ready for your analysis or presentation. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more Excel tips and tricks.